Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your PC runs Windows 10 or 11 because those include plug-and-play Xbox drivers. Once confirmed, grab a data-capable USB cable. Charging-only cables won't transfer input. Plug the cable into the controller and a rear or powered front USB port on the PC. You should see the controller's Xbox button flash. While it installs, Windows automatically finds drivers. This is why using the right cable and port speeds everything up. Once the physical connection is made, make sure Windows shows the device under Bluetooth and other devices or Device Manager. If the Xbox button stays unlit or shows an error, open Device Manager and update or reinstall the Xbox peripherals or USB controller driver. This resolves most driver hiccups. After drivers finish, open the Xbox Accessories app or the legacy game controller's control panel to calibrate and verify buttons and sticks respond properly, so games read your inputs correctly. Finish by selecting the controller inside your game or Steam's controller settings and confirm vibration and mappings work. If you see lag or dropouts, try another USB port, ideally rear panel USB 3.0 or a powered hub. Bad ports cause intermittent signals. If the controller isn't recognized, power cycle it, swap to a known good data cable, and reinstall drivers in Device Manager. That single troubleshooting sequence, cable, port, drivers, solves most wired connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.